Sheen Panel Service.
Not at fault, why should you pay? Had an accident that wasn't your fault? Here's what you need to know. If the other driver caused the crash, they're legally responsible for your repair costs, whether they're insured or not. Either way, never admit fault. Take photos, collect witness details, and report the crash to police. This builds your case in case your claim is disputed. If you're not at fault, call Sheen first. Calling your insurer first could affect your premium. You have the right to choose who repairs your car. So if you can choose a repairer that uses genuine parts, offers a lifetime guarantee on all repairs, and offers an accident replacement vehicle, at Sheen will guide you through the process, insured or not. Head to sheengroup.com.au to find your closest store, or even upload your smash to receive a quote from an expert within an hour.
The information in this video is intended to be general information only and is not financial product advice. The information has been prepared without taking into account your objectives, financial situation, or needs. Before acting on any such information, you should consider the appropriateness of the information provided and the nature of the relevant financial product having regarded your objectives, financial situation, and need. In particular, you should seek independent financial advice and read the relevant product disclosure statement before making a decision about whether to buy or continue to hold a financial product. Terms and conditions apply. For full terms and conditions, head to sheengroup.com.au.